Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, obviously my makeup's all done in the beginning part of this video, so today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial instead. It's simple, it's not going to be anything crazy, we're just going to be curling our hair. I remember when I was younger I was always having issues curling my hair because I missed the curls I used to have when I was little and my hair just never wanted to cooperate with me. Finally learned how to curl my hair, so I thought I would make a video to help somebody out there who might be also having issues curling their hair. So let's get started on this, shall we? First of all, want to make sure you have a nice, if your hair is kind of thick like me, I usually use this one. It is a 1-inch qNnKJr. We're going to be sectioning off our hair. That's most important. It makes it easier, and then you can also make sure you got all the pieces without having to worry if you missed any. Just gonna do that. I'm gonna twist it up. Then I always make sure to have one of these clips with me. It just makes it so much easier. So just clip it up like that. And then next, I'm going to be using a heat protection spray. So I'll be using this qNnKJr heat protectant spray. It is, so it's 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protecting Spray. So I assume that's good. I don't really know. I just know that it has helped my hair from getting too much heat. I'm just gonna brush through that so it's kind of spread evenly. Try not to choke myself. Spread evenly throughout the hair. So I usually take the first front piece and I kind of feel it out for the day of how big I would want the curls. So today I think I'm just gonna, and see how when I grab it, it kind of does blue. It kind of has that little space in between, so that's kind of like not a section hair you want. So you just kind of got to feel out your own hair. Try to make sure that the sections you're getting are kind of in the same section on your head as well, because then the curls won't get all weird. So you're just gonna wrap it around like this. I don't like using that clamping part because I felt like it left marks on my hair. And I usually, since my hair is on the thicker side, I usually just count to 15. Or when it comes to like the thicker parts of my hair, which is towards the back, I kind of can go all the way up to 30 seconds. So it kind of depends on your hair type. So see, kind of like that, and then I just kind of pull it to loosen them up a little bit. So this is going to kind of give you that romantic curl that you might be looking for. So, happy spring, guys. I don't know about you, but here it just snowed last night, so it's not really looking like spring here, even though I'm wearing a t-shirt. It just snowed, so kind of a little disappointed, since you know how much I'm looking forward to getting some warm weather. I just really miss the sun, you know? It's been so cloudy. I'm just ready for it. Plus I'm really ready to get the tan back into my skin. So when you start getting towards the back section of your hair, you're going to take the curling iron, go around the back, and then you're going to go under your hair and go from the top and just wrap around that way. And then I like to kind of watch your hand, don't burn yourself. I like to tip it towards the ground. If you were wondering what that weird wooden looking stick thing was in my last video, I'm currently using a sponge brush to support the camera so I can tilt up a little bit more so you can see me better. The camera's literally strapped on top of a trash can, on top of a mini paint bucket. And then there's the paintbrush. I have such a fancy setup, you guys. So now that we're on this side, just gonna go around the opposite way. More. And you're just gonna do the same technique by going over and under. Alright, so when it gets down, I usually find myself doing it on this side more than this side, just because we're down to like the last few chunks of hair. So I take my fingers and I kind of run it through, and that helps section it off even more. So it kind of splits it up a little bit. And if I feel like this section's a little too thin, I'll just go into this one, take a little piece, and then split up nicely. So it kind of helps a little bit, kind of helps you grab the same section of hair. So you're not getting one section from one place and one from another. And then the curl does weird stuff. Like the curl kind of breaks apart, and then you have random curls, or you'll have one section that didn't curl as much. So now that we're towards the front of the head, you're just gonna go like right here, curl towards the back of your head, and bring it around. Bring it around town. There you go, SpongeBob again. Cannot wait for my family to come home and wonder why I'm so glammed up. Alright, on to the next section of hair. So I'm just going to section it off again, just going to go right here towards the top of my forehead and just kind of go towards that top section of hair all the way back of my head. So it's probably, this is the thinnest section that we're going to be taking. This middle section is kind of that one where you usually can see all the bumps that you've missed if you're straightening your hair, if you're curling your hair. This is the section that can cause you all those issues. Nice little poof at the top of my head. Just gonna spray it again. So also when I'm starting to go around here, I like to do smaller sections, just because this, when I get towards the back, it is the thickest part of my hair. So I find that this helps the curl kind of hold more, because my hair eventually does start to loosen as the day goes on. So now I'm getting towards the back of my head. I'm gonna go over and under again. So I'm wondering why my makeup is so dark today. I finally got into those dark colors I was talking about in that I Love You So Moochie palette. I told you guys, I'm obsessed with it. So if you want me to do this look for you, just let me know down in the comments. I have so many ideas for makeups that I want to do, because I just bought some new stuff the other day. These my gift cards I got for my birthday. I'm so excited. This festival season is slowly approaching, so I'm thinking about doing a video for a look on that. Oh, I hate that feeling. You feel like you're gonna sneeze and then nothing happens. It's like, am I gonna do it? Am I not? Then it passes and you're like, well, that just was rude. Didn't appreciate that. Ooh. Also, when it starts getting nice out, I have a fun video I'm going to be putting out to celebrate the warm weather. Very inspired. I just started watching Glam Masters. Oh my god, that show. The recent one I watched got me super inspired. I was just like, wow, I have to try this idea. I love when I have my hair curled. So sometimes when I'm doing curls, I just split my part and do it kind of in the center. I don't really do it too neat. Just because I don't have one of the, I need to get one of those brushes at the, right, that you can just down the center. I do my best, you know. It's what you gotta do. You just gotta try your best. Learned, oh my god. I didn't hold my breath long enough. I was about to say, learn to not breathe in the spray that I'm spraying, and then it happened anyways. Go like this. I'm gonna go like an inch from my base of my hair and just curl it on out. As much as I hate the cold, I do love when it snows a good amount. Like, you know, the snow where it's sticking all the tree branches. So it just looks like a winter wonderland, and it just looks so pretty. It's like a Christmas card, kind of. And I do love Christmas. Ask anybody. I'll literally start listening to Christmas music during Halloween. I literally made this, I was doing my makeup for a Halloween party, my friend came over to give me more supplies, and I open the door and you just hear Christmas music coming from inside my apartment. I was literally painting a skeleton on my face while listening to Jingle Bells. I was just sitting there laughing to myself. Those little moments you just find yourself hilarious. I like to think I'm hilarious sometimes. Alright, getting down to the last few strands. Few hundred strands of hair. I wonder how much hair we have on our heads. Oh wow. The average is 100,000 hair follicles. It's crazy. I want to know how they figured that out. How did they find these things out about our bodies? Like, who was the person that volunteered to be like, I want to know this, so I'm going to count multiple people's heads. Like, when you're like seriously bored, do you ever just like look at the ceiling and start counting those dots? I usually give up when I hit to like 100. Somebody went and counted 100,000 strands of multiple people's hair. That's crazy.
Oh, hi. Hi, Misty.
Don't forget to be tugging the curls as you're going through this, just so we're not getting any ringlets going on. Cute as they are. Only curl your bangs if they're a longer length, or unless you like that. I don't really like curling my bangs too much, just because they get really weird looking when I do. I made that mistake too many times. Never learn, do I? Make sure you're curling away from your face. Go. Here we go. Kind of pull my hair forward just to see if there's any pieces I need to curl more. Now, I always like to push my hair forward and kind of frame my face, so don't need those strands kind of being loose. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. This is just very nice, pretty loose curls. You can run your hands through it. I recommend putting hairspray in it though, just so as you're going through your day it's not flattening out too much and you're losing the nice semi-ringlets we got going on. These are more, I think, romantic curls. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys want me to do this makeup look for you. I might anyways, who knows, we'll see. Like this video, all that jazz, subscribe, do whatever you feel like. Just let me know how you're feeling. Let me know how your day was. Let me know if you're as excited for spring. I'm rambling, it's whatever. I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.